Do you want to grow on Twitch fast in 2025? Let me give you some simple beginner tips that actually work. First, focus on using the right Twitch tags. Tags are how new viewers discover streams. Use broad tags like gaming, live, or streamer along with specific ones like first playthrough, chatty, or playing with viewers. This way, you show up in both big and niche searches. Second, stay consistent with your schedule. It doesn't matter if you stream 3 times a week or just on weekends. What matters is sticking to it. Viewers come back when they know when to expect you. Third, always engage with your chat. Say hello to new viewers, ask questions, and react to comments. People follow streamers who make them feel involved. Fourth, optimize your stream quality. Make sure your internet is stable, your audio is clear, and your layout looks professional. A good first impression makes people stay longer. Finally, don't rely only on Twitch. Promote your content on other platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Reels, short clips of funny or exciting moments, are one of the fastest ways to bring new viewers to your channel. If you combine these tips, good tags, consistency, chat interaction quality, and promotion, you'll see your Twitch channel grow much faster in 2025.